Hello, welcome everyone. So today I'm going to address like most students who fill the form has doubt how to crack NSET and especially the section learning ability. So for that I want to share that in learning ability they are going to share a passage which you have to read, you have to understand, and after reading you have to answer few questions. So it don't require some preparation, right? Any kind of preparation. So it's like on the spot you are learning and you are understanding and now you are answering the question. But how I can help you in this? To this section, especially this section require a lot of focus, a lot of attention. So if like before learning ability section, if you are doing cheating in the exam, stop doing this, and I will suggest not to cheat. Because if you are into cheating, if you are like in chaos that you want to find the answer, if you are using phone or any kind of gadget, then you are in hustle of mind. You have a fear of like if you got like पकड़े गए तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा पेपर. There is AI detector, so lot of things already going in your mind. There's a lot of pressure, time pressure, like you have to take the question like completed and lot of things. So stop cheating, and I will recommend not to cheat. So now what I can suggest you, so now in intake 3 there are a lot of students who are going to reappear for the exam. They already gave the NSET exam and were not able to clear this, and there are a lot of students who share their doubt that they are not able to understand. So for that, like you can follow the old traditional our English teacher advice, because reading comprehension and like answering the question by reading it we learned in English. So everyone had this subject English, and like we used to do this even in Hindi कि एक पैराग्राफ पोएम तो उससे पढ़ के हमें जवाब देने पड़ते थे. तो इट्स लाइक सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ पैटर्न. सो देयर इज एन एडवाइस, नाउ गो एंड रीड द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट. तो इससे बेनिफिट क्या होगा? यू विल गेट फ्यू वर्ड्स. ओके, नाउ दिस आर माय टारगेट क्वेश्चन. आपको ये तो नहीं कि पढ़ के एक रिसर्च क्रिएट करनी है. नो, यू हैव योर मेन टारगेट इज टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चंस. So first go and read the question. Just like read fastly. Okay, this. Don't read carefully. Okay, because there's chances that you are not able to understand and now you are stressed out. So just go and glare that, like check out what kind of questions they are. You will get few catchy words. Okay, these are repeated words, or these are these kinds of words they are asking. So when you are going to read that, so it will going to help you. So now you can focus on the question. Even there is like one personal suggestion. If you find that okay, this word is repeated and these are the tough words that I have to look in the concept, so write it down. Write it down in paper. So आपको ये होगा कि okay, ये word है, ये इसको carefully पढ़ना है. There is one concept. Read between the lines. Sometimes like आप जब passage पढ़ रहे हो आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा, like just sake for reading you read that complete passage paragraph. So don't do that. Okay, write down the words which you find in question and then read it carefully. Try to find those words, try to understand and read multiple times. So see carefully those words, whatever words you find in question. So why I'm like why I go for this topic and how I can sympathize with you. So in learning ability, there's chances like you are getting new concept and first time you are not good in reading, तो आपको प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है. तो क्या होता है सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग में, हम हर दिन एक कोई भी एरर आया, वी हैव टू फर्स्ट रीड एरर्स. In software engineering, there are like lot of times the answer is like hidden in errors only. So sometimes for me and even like software engineers who are at very high level, they need to go and read a new concept, and it take time to understand what this passage, this paragraph, this article is about. So that's okay if you are not able to understand it completely, but try to answer at least like half of the question, because for each section there is cutoff. So you can't ignore learning ability, you can't. And it is very simple, just follow these steps, be focused, practice. So how you can practice for learning ability? So there are a lot of articles you can read, and then you can try to like search like question regarding this article, then try to answer that. Even you can use ChatGPT, like ask ChatGPT to share some tech article, and then write ChatGPT like now asked question from this article. Now try to answer that. So this will help you. From theory, you after reading, you are answering. So it is bringing a practice in your mind. So be very focused. So here the learning ability, this section needs your understanding. So try to build your understanding. So for that I can suggest some websites. So there is interview bit. You can check for free mock. This will going to help you. And there is code check. Code check. You can check this. So here also you will get some articles. There is tech gig. So it's like a build your reading habit. Try to understand the concepts. So this is ChatGPT. So here I write first suggest some tech concepts. So here I got some tech topics: artificial intelligence, AR, VR, blockchain. So now you can write some suggest some DSA topics. So you are getting some DSA topics. Write short article. Then what I did, I copy paste this. So I can show you the example. Write short article. You can write short passage on it is loading. So I asked same for trees and I got okay, this is the passage. Now I asked make some question from passage. So I got some question. So you can practice like first you are reading the passage and then you are answering this question. And you can ask ChatGPT, is this answer is correct for this question? Or you can opt for different technique. You can first read the question, then you are like searching and like understanding this passage, and then again reading and trying to answer. So this is going to be another way to test your skills on learning ability. So try read a lot. That's going to really help you in this. Let me tell you. Now you can ask check the answer of I am going to answer after reading the passage. My answer. Now I haven't read that. So I can write what are some application of trees. There are no applications. Here what I can write, like check the answer. I am going to answer after reading. So let's take this passage, copy, create some questions from the passage. So now I got some question. So now you can approach either reading this first and then reading this, or first reading this and then reading this. Now you have to answer all. So I'm copying this. Check my answer after reading passage. So you can write your answer. What is the main objective of greedy algorithm is solving? So here we can find we can write like choice making. Let's try this. I apologize, but choice making is not main objective. So here you can build the understanding and you can check your understanding and you can practice like your learning ability round like this. So this is going to help you.